Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, oh my god guys, I'm about to show you the best lace that you will ever see. This is a new clear lace that is just like, look at my hairline. This is the best my wig has ever looked. I did this install by myself. I'm going to show you how this lace compares to the other popular laces, and we're going to get into this beautiful kinky straight wig. So let's jump straight into the video. So this hair is from XRSbeauty, and this is just all the stuff that comes in the box: hair clips, lashes, wig cap, and all of that. So now this is the wig. As you guys can see, it's pretty thick, 150% density, 24 inches, and I'm putting the lace on my hand just to give you guys a preview. See how the hairline is beautifully plucked. You will not have to do a single thing to this hairline. It also comes with attachment combs and an adjustable strap for extra security. Now I'm going to show you how this new lace compares to the other popular types of laces. So we have the regular brown lace, that's the lace that's usually tinted, and then the middle we have the transparent lace, that is like the regular plain lace that everyone always uses, and then on the right side we have the new clear lace. As you can see, the grids on the clear lace aren't as thick or as prominent as the other two. Brown lace looks a bit brown because it's tinted brown to match our scalp better. The transparent lace is the one that you have to tint and you have to pluck and do all of that, but the clear lace is kind of like an upgrade from the other two. It's thinner than the other two, so it blends better to your scalp and you don't have to do any tinting or customizing. So I went ahead and actually glued the laces to my hand so that you guys will see. As you can see, in the middle we have the transparent lace, and immediately you can tell that that one doesn't fit me at all. That one is the one I will have to tint, I will have to customize so that it becomes a better match. On the left side we have the brown lace, that is the second best match, and it fits me because it is brown, it's tinted, so it's a better match than the transparent lace. But on the right side we have the new clear lace. As you can see, that one is the best match for my skin. The part that I glued down fits my skin so well. Even the part that I didn't glue down, look at the part that I didn't glue down, compare that to how the other two look. The clear lace looks like a better match for my skin. It blends better, as you guys can see, and I'm very hairy, so if you look well in the clear lace you would actually be able to see hair strands. You'll be able to see my hair strands through the lace. That is how much the lace tries to melt into your skin. Like, just compare that to the other two laces. The difference is so clear. It was today that I really learned that all laces are not the same. Like, lace get level. This was crazy to me when I put the three of them together. Just look at it. The clear lace just disappears into your skin. Compare that to the other two. So I've gone ahead and put the clear lace wig on my hair just to show you guys what it looks like before I actually glue it down. Like, even before you glue it down, the lace already looks very nice. Okay, so now I'm about to start laying the wig down, and I'm cutting the lace in the middle because I usually lay the middle part down first. And as you can see, I'm cutting it in a zigzag. That helps it blend better to your scalp as opposed to just cutting it straight across. So now I'm going to be using the Got2b gel to glue this down. Normally it's actually be better for you to use the Got2b spray, but they didn't have it at my local Walgreens, so I just bought the glue, but it still works either way. So I apply a thin amount and just spread it across my hairline. As you can see, I like to pull my wigs forward so that it doesn't affect my edges. Just spray blow dryer on it so that it dries quicker, and I'm just going to press that down. Just press it down and use the end of my rat tail comb. Look at how this thing is melting. Just look at it. This is insane. This is insane. I was so shocked. My wig has never looked this good in my life. A wig that I did by myself. Look at how it just melts into your scalp. This is insane. So I'm just hitting it with the blow dryer some more so that it dries completely. Then when it's secure, I'm going to move on to the side. So now I'm cutting off the lace on this side, still with that same zigzag motion. The cap size that I have on is a large, but they have medium, they have small. So depending on the one that fits you, I like to use large wig caps because I have a big head and a lot of hair. So before I even glue it down, see how it even looks on my scalp. Now I'm applying the Got2b again. A thin layer. Normally when you're using this glue, sometimes it can cause white particles, but the lesser the amount of glue you use, the less likely you will have those white particles. So don't go overboard, don't use too much. Now I'm laying this part down with the rat tail comb, just pressing it in. I went over it with the blow dryer to make sure that it was dry and tacky. You can just look at this hairline. What the hell? This is insane. I'm watching this video as I'm editing it and doing the voiceover, and I'm still in shock. Look at the hairline. So now I'm just gonna do very light baby hairs. Just very light. I didn't even need to do it. Just very light. That's how you know the lace is good, when you don't have to use baby hairs to hide the hairline. But yeah, now I'm gonna start styling. I initially wanted to give this like a 70s cut before, but I changed my mind because I felt like this would just look nice, just flat iron and straight, because the kinky straight wigs have very nice volume, very nice texture. So I'm just going to flat iron this, and yeah, that is basically it. So as you can see, I'm dividing it into sections and taking like small to medium sized sections and just passing it through with the flat iron. The hair itself is amazing, very soft, lovely density. I didn't get shedding at all. And you guys know whenever I review wigs, if I get shedding, I actually show you the shedding. I did not get any shedding at all. I have no complaints with this wig. This is the best wig I have. I have no complaints whatsoever. It flat ironed properly. You guys will see at the end, it just looks nice. It looks beautiful, beautiful shine. I'm blown away. I'm overwhelmed by this wig, and yeah, that is all I have to say. So now I'm doing the front. See, even when I'm doing the front, look at the hairline. It looks like I'm flat ironing my own hair. And funny enough, this wig is actually the exact length of my own hair. So if I were to flat iron my hair, this is exactly how my hair would look. Now this is ridiculous, honestly. So I'm done flat ironing one side, and that is how it looks. Now I'm about to flat iron the other side. I just want to show you guys like comparison between the flat iron part and the non-flat iron portion. So done flat ironing everything, and as usual my iron always comes out. My wig video will not be complete without my iron that I used to lay everything at the top. And this is basically how I laid this wig down. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my makeup and come and show you guys the final look. But this hair is gorgeous. I love kinky straight hair. I have a 20% off coupon code for anybody that would like to get this hair, and yeah, I'm going to leave all of the information down below, or just stay to the end of this video and all the information will pop up on your screen. But this is the final look. I'm still obsessed with this hairline. Like, this is insane to me. I have never seen a wig look this good on me before. I have never seen the hairline of a wig look this good, and I even posted this wig on my Snapchat, and people actually thought I straightened my hair. They thought it was my hair. They thought it was growing from my scalp. So I'm just showing you guys the hair, the final look. This hair is so beautiful. Personally, I actually prefer kinky straight hair to like regular bone straight hair. I actually love how textured kinky straight hair is. Okay guys, so this is officially the best wig install I've ever done. Like, seriously, the hairline is flawless. This is the new clear lace from XRSbeauty Hair. I did not have to pluck the hairline. I didn't have to tint the lace, nothing. I don't know how they did it, but they made the lace so it's thin to the point where it lays really flat on your hairline, and you can easily when you glue it down and everything, it looks like it's literally going out your scalp. But it's not like thin to the extent of feeling like flimsy or where it can easily rip. This is actually very sturdy. It's very durable, so it's not something that will easily tear, but it's still thin enough to where it can lay really flat on your hair and just literally melt into your scalp. This wig is a 13 by 6 lace front wig, so the lace goes from ear to ear and is 6 inches deep. As you can see, it has a pretty wide parting space, and I like that a lot because it also makes wigs look more natural. The wig is 150% density. Let me come up close so you guys will see 150%, and it's so thick. I actually wanted to get 180 before. Thank God I did not, because sometimes when some companies say 150% density, the wig still does not look thick at all, but this one is thick, like from the root to the tip. Let me show you guys. Oh, see, It's a very, very, very thick wig, so definitely 150% is more than enough. And as you can see, the hair is thick up onto the ends. The ends are not scanty at all. Like, look at how, just look at that. Look at that, for Christ's sake. This is a very beautiful wig. Normally I usually give out my wigs or sell them, but I don't think I'm going to give out this one at all. This is the best wig I have, hands down. The length of this is 24 inches, so it's pretty long. I have a 20% off coupon code if you want to get it and you want to save some money. I'm gonna put the code and all the information on the screen and down below in the description box. This hair is from XRSbeautyHair. Beautiful, mwah, beautiful wig. Like, they killed it, honestly. So I'm gonna leave all the information down below in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below on my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other natural hair videos, my other wig videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.